Hey, what's up guys? Adam at Time Warp Custom Paint here. In this video, I'm going to show you how to spray a true candy pearl base coat using nothing but aerosol cans. No compressor, no spray gun, no mixing ratios, just LiME automotive grade aerosols. Let's get started. We're starting with a properly prepped and primed tank. Over that, I'm laying down a solid black base coat. When spraying candy or pearl over the top, you want a dark and even ground coat. That's what gives it depth. I always start with light tack coats. Base coat dries quickly, so you only need about 5 to 10 minutes between coats. Build it up gradually. Usually 3 to 4 coats gets full and even coverage. Now here's the difference. These aren't hardware store spray cans. This is real automotive base coat sealed into an aerosol can. It's designed to be clear coated with a true 2K clear coat on top, just like a professional paint job. Once the black base coat has flashed, usually within a few minutes, we're ready for the candy pearl base coat. Today, I'm using Grimace Purple from LiME. What I love about these candy pearl base coats is that they mimic the depth of a traditional candy paint, but they're much more user-friendly. Traditional candy can get blotchy if you're not experienced. These lay down evenly and they're very forgiving. Same process here, light tack coats first, then you build it up gradually until you get full coverage. Now this is when it gets serious. LiME Double Shot 2K Clear Coat isn't just a 1K clear. It has 2 components inside the can. Once activated, it becomes a true catalyzed clear coat. The same chemistry you get from a spray gun. You'll have about 12 to 24 hours pot life once activated, depending on the temperature. I'll start with light tack coats again, and then follow up with 3 to 4 medium wet coats, waiting 15 to 20 minutes, once again, depending on temperature. This clear is fully cured within 12 to 24 hours and can be cut and polished to a true mirror finish. And the best part, you can achieve professional automotive paint results at home. No compressor, no airlines, no mixing part A and part B. It's all engineered right into the can. If you want to learn more about automotive custom paint, check out my other videos. Thanks for watching.